It's the combination of many factors. It is the result of solid and recognized values united with the attention to small details that allows us to model sound and create spaces full of life, shaping sound for life spaces. On several occasions over these 57 years, we have found ourselves at a crossroads and we have taken decisions on which the future of the brand depended. And it seems we took them well, because today Ecler is at its best. But we are also very aware that the speed of change is accelerating year after year, and we must be able to anticipate this.
Success in business is the sum of many small details that can range from the most obvious, such as the quality and reliability of the products, where it's relatively common to find installations with 25-year-old amplifiers working properly, to how to say good morning when speaking with someone from Ecler.
Distributors are an extension of Ecler in each of the more than 70 countries where we are present. They are more partners than customers. They share our company culture. They are our eyes in the market. They give us great strength in decision making, whether it's product related or strategic. Today, our customers are key to innovation. This is a constant and guided process in which our distributors, in direct contact with their AV integrators and prescribers, play a decisive role.
Furthermore, a brand with a premium positioning such as Ecler not only needs to offer reliable, innovative products, it also needs to provide a service that goes beyond customers' expectations. In this sense, our distribution features a clear service attitude in order to detect any opportunity for improvement.
Innovation has been always in Ecler's DNA since its beginnings. We have always searched for the differentiating factor, what really makes us unique. SPM amplification technology, the EclerNet digital audio and control platform, and more recently, the WeSpeak wireless audio solution are clear examples of this ambition.
But innovation is not only linked to technology, it's also linked to the product's external appearance. In this sense, the aesthetic contribution of renowned industrial designers such as Italdesign Giugiaro, Luis Eslava, and Ecler's own in-house design team are relevant.
We make sure our most visible elements can be easily integrated into the demanding aesthetic setting of each vertical market. Innovation is also about achieving an enjoyable user experience. Our software development leads us to simple controls customized in line with the user's needs, but always maintaining the utmost performance and functionality in the audiovisual system.
And above all, the team, committed, responsible and enthusiastic, vibrant with each new project and facing difficulties as opportunities to improve as we approach our Diamond 60-year anniversary.